Come with me and Nemo to go on the paddleboards. We had to walk to the pond because the pond is not that far away. I was just giving him some pets. I could see that he was really happy to go onto the paddleboards. He loves watching the view of the pond. He was just checking out the pond. Sorry, I'm not talking at this part much. I don't know what to say. He was a little thirsty. I didn't film him jump in, but he got soaked. He was so happy. He wanted to go back in, but I didn't want him to.